Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and today we're on the Grand Princess, and I'm in the very back of the ship, aft you might say, on Lido deck 14. This is the terrace pool, so I suppose this is called the terrace. Club 15 is right there, chapel's over there. They have a bar here. The buffet goes on both sides, the marketplace. We're gonna walk on the starboard side, and of course I gotta wear a mask. So here we go. It's a pretty large buffet. Of course, the ship was only at 20%, so there was plenty of room, plenty of tables. They have several places where you can get coffee or tea. Irene is here.
Hey, good morning.
Hey. She was our waitress in the dining room, and she works here every morning, it seems like. So they have food. Some you get yourself, some they get for you. Just depends on what it is. So this is Karina. She's the hostess in the dining room. The hostess with the mostest. Hand washing station, of course. Hi.
It's a very good.
This I believe is the Calypso pool. Hi. And bar. Calypso. And it's covered. And they kept that covered the whole time, no matter how hot it got in here. They opened some of the doors upstairs. Oh, they have them open now. But covered. Here's a coffee and ice cream place. Of course, the coffee costs, the ice cream's free, but they don't open till 11. So I'm not sure why. Here's another one of those oceanfront places. If you watch any of the other videos, where you get help with your medallion. This is the Neptune Reef pool. That's my medallion, see? Neptune Reef. Of course, it's help yourself towels. As soon as we go in here, there's really not much else. Another bar. This is salty dog, hamburgers, hot dogs, sandwiches, french fries. Of course, they're not open today, and that's slice pizza. Of course, there's an Alfredo's pizza down on 5. It's way better. I mean, you might have to wait a little longer, I don't know, but it's way better. Just so you know. No offense to Slice, but Alfredo's is very good pizza. The hamburgers, hot dogs are pretty good. I mean, it's not Guy's Burger Joint, but how many things can be? And then you go in, that's cabins. So we're all the way forward, well, almost, on Lido deck 14. Right here's going to be the stairs and elevators. And there you have it. That's Lido deck 14 on the Grand Princess. And this is Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port. Bye.